Ronald and Rosal is beauty. Our Sulpur crested cockatoo. We designed to pick them up. Kakatua Galireta. Make it become Australia and New Guinea. Now guys, Sulpur crested cockatoo use their crest as an indication if they are happy or mad. Ang mga super crested cockatoo spread their wings and left their crest as part ng kanilang panlililaw sa babaeng cockatoo. But it also an act of discouraging other male to board female sulpur crested cockatoo. At ngayong hapon guys, ipapakita yan ni Beauty. Alright, now girl. Pakita mo ka sana kung gano'n maganda si Beauty no, eh. Okay, now girl. Spread your wings. Ayan. Alright, okay, isa pa. One more, isa pa. Wait lang natin guys. And girl. Whoa. Alright, now host as part of Beauty's enrichment, cockatoos looking projects as a form of exercise and playing around to Easter boredom. Now, Kuya San, alam mo gagawin Beauty kapag siya yung bata ko. And then, that is their natural behavior for someone, guys. Okay, wow. And lastly, just like any other virus, Beauty also has zygodactyl people, just like Barak. At ipapakita ulit yan ni Beauty, guys. Alright, now girl, what is zygodactyl thing nga ba? At ayan na guys. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Ano yung gusto dyan ha? Once you go sa dati, zygodactyl thing is actually go to the front, to the back, allowing them to grab items. And that's all for Beauty po. Palakpakan po natin sila.